Okay, Algebra 1 class, this is your last lesson before Easter break. So lesson 65A, I'm going to break it into two parts, adding with radicals. Okay, this is exactly like adding like terms, but instead of x, and x, we have square root of 2. So you can only add radicals that have the same radicand here, square root of 2. So it's actually quite easy. 4 square root of 2 minus 5 square root of 2 is negative 1 square root of 2, plus 12 square root of 2 is 11 square root of 2. Okay, you're just adding the numbers in front, adding or subtracting. Now, one way you can check your work on a calculator is you could do this on your calculator, you'll get a decimal answer, and then do this on a calculator, you should get the same decimal answer. Just a way to check your work. In this one, only the square root of 3's are the same. So those are the only ones you can add, the like terms. So it's 4 square root of 3 minus 6 square root of 3, which is negative 2 square root of 3, plus 3 square root of 5. We cannot add those. Those numbers are different. Now you could also write that with the minus sign in the middle. You could bring this to that side. 3 square root of 5. You don't have to write the plus when it's the first one. Minus 2 square root of 3. Here we have two different sets, so I'm going to take the square root of 3's. See, those are the like terms. Those are the ones you can add. 5 plus 8 is 13 square root of 3. And negative square root of 3 minus 2, which is negative 5. Or you could do plus and negative. Might be easier. Negative 3 square root of 2 plus negative 2 square root of 2 is negative 5 square root of 2. And once again, you could write the negative 5 square root of 2 plus 13 square root of 3. This is the preferred way because you have one fewer symbol. You have just the minus sign. And finally, the last one, you can see there are no like terms. Here's a square root of 3, here's a square root of 2, square root of 5. You can't do anything there. So that's your answer. Enjoy.